Hello viewers, how are you doing? I am back with another interesting topic. Today we discuss the story of pronoun. Please watch this video till the end. In Latin, pro means instead of. So pronoun means a word which is used instead of a noun. If I say Rajesh is my friend, Rajesh is an engineer, Rajesh is hardworking, Rajesh is very helpful, Rajesh speaks wonderful English, Rajesh's wife is a lecturer. It won't sound nice, will it? What is wrong here? Repetition. Repetition of the word Rajesh. So noun is repeated here. To avoid this repetition, a noun must be replaced by a pronoun. So the word Rajesh must be replaced by pronoun he. Now I read, Rajesh is an engineer. He is very helpful. He is hardworking. Rajesh speaks wonderful English. His wife is a lecturer. Okay, now it is acceptable. He is used here. నౌన్ను అంటిపెట్టుకుని నీడలా వెంటాడుతూ వస్తూ ఉండేది ప్రొనౌన్. Now the types of pronouns. Like nouns, pronouns also talk about persons, so they are called personal pronouns. These personal pronouns, they are of three types. They are first person pronoun, second person pronoun, third person pronoun. So how many types are there? Three types. First person, second person, third person. In first person we have I and we. Singular I, plural we. Second person you. Singular you, plural also you only. Third person singular he, she, it. Plural they. He, she, it, they. If it is male, he, female, she. For non-living thing, animal or bird, it. If many are there, they. Okay friends, so these three are personal pronouns. First person means speaker, I and we. Second person means listener who is present right in front of us, you and you. Third person means they are also listeners but they are not present, they are far away, he, she, it, they. Okay, now you have understood these words. Okay, so we have some more pronouns. I means not only I related words, me, mine, myself. We means not only we, us, ours, ourselves. Similarly, you related words, you, yours, yourself, yourselves. He related words, him, his, himself. She related words, her, hers, herself. Similarly, it related words, it, its, itself. And finally we have they related words, them, theirs, themselves. All these are pronouns only, no doubt they are pronouns. Okay friends, apart from these we have few more pronouns. They are the first one word means what? The words which end with one. What are they? Everyone, anyone, no one, someone. Everyone, anyone, no one, someone. For example, everyone is present. So what is everyone here? Pronoun. Someone is absent. What is someone here? Pronoun. No one is present. What is no one? Pronoun. Similarly, we have thing words. Everything, anything, nothing, something. Next we have BODY, body words. Everybody, anybody, nobody, somebody. So all these are pronouns only. Now before concluding, finally we have these words: this, that, these, those. What are they? This, that, these, those. All these words are also pronouns provided they are used at the beginning of the sentence. This is your college. Here this is pronoun. That's your bag. That is pronoun. These are my books. Those are your bikes. So these words are pronouns. If they come in the middle of the sentence, they are not pronouns, they are adjectives. Okay, that thing we will discuss later. Okay friends, now I hope that you have understood the story of pronoun. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share it with your friends. These are very useful for all of the students, not only students, for the job seekers, employees, businessmen, and housewives as well. For everyone, these videos are very useful. So please keep on watching my videos. Please watch my previous videos also. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Bye for now. See you next. Take care. Jai Hind.